Hi everyone, today with the exciting scholarship and a new video. This video is about ASUS Scholarship 2026 at Taiwan Tech University, which is fully funded, and I am Adil Akram. Let's move toward a detail of this scholarship, and then we will go through the procedure that how you can apply on this scholarship and how you can make an account on their portal. Host country is Taiwan University, a national Taiwan University of Science and Technology. A degree level is basically mentioned master, but master, PhD, and dual degree students can apply on it. Duration is 2 year. Benefit is fully funded. What kind of documents you need? Most important is a passport, your resume, academic transcript, certificate of a degree, and as well as letter of recommendation. You need two letter of recommendation from your previous professor. What kind of benefit this scholarship will give you? The scholarship will cover your full tuition fee for 2 years, a round trip economy class airfare to Taiwan. Mean they will provide you two tickets. Like one, when you get the scholarship, you have to come to Taiwan, and second one, when you are graduate, when you will get your degree and go back to your country, they will give you a economic ticket for airfare, a monthly living allowance, subsidy for Chinese language courses, and internship opportunity during your studies. And if you are doing your master degree under this scholarship, you have a chance to do a internship in the industry too. And most important thing, guaranteed 2 year position at ASUS after graduation. Is a high top companies in Taiwan, all over the world. And after graduation, you will get 2 year contract with the company, and you can do a job. And for future, you can continue it. How to apply for this scholarship? Now we will move toward their official portal that how you can apply on this scholarship. First of all, I will guide you some procedure that they have some undergraduate programs, graduate programs, and double program. Undergraduate programs are already passed on, and also for dual program. Now a graduate program like master and a PhD are still open. So now you have to click on apply. They will open a portal. Like I have already account on it, I will show you that how you can make an account on it. Before going to this, I will show you about the ASUS scholarship information, and they also have another scholarship like TSMC Elite Scholarship. First, we will see about the ASUS scholarship. ASUS scholarship, they have eligibility. I already told you about it, and scholarship value. They will provide you 60,000 NTD, round about 6 lakhs for your subsidies for return ticket, and they will give you a monthly allowance of 12,000 for per month for maximum of 2 years of study. And also they will give you a subsidized Chinese language courses. In this sense, they will pay you 20,000, and after completing your language course, they will give you a certificate of 80% attendance. A 2 year of position at ASUS might be offered to scholarship recipient after graduation. And it's a high top knock university in Taiwan. You can apply it here and you can polish your future. Okay, so now we will see the other one, TSMC, but today video is just ASUS scholarship. At TSMC scholarship is who can apply here. Applicant graduated from the universities in Vietnam, Indonesia, Singapore, Thailand, and Malay can apply in a master degree under this scholarship. But in ASUS, all international student and student who belongs to Macau, Hong Kong, mainland China can apply for ASUS scholarship. So now we will see that how you can make an account. Click on create account. They will show you email address and then a password, verification code, and submit. After submission, they will send you an email for verification, verify it, and then come back to the main portal, log in your ID here, write a verification code, and click on login. After that, you have to click on apply. When you click on apply, they will show you a different page. The first page is basically a conducting page. They confirm that where are you from. If you are international student, you have to choose a foreign nationality holder, or if you are ROC related like mainland China, Macau, and Hong Kong, you have to click on that part and then click. After that, they will ask you one or two questions, and then you can move toward that these four steps. After submitting some question answers, they will move to you for application, and there do you have four steps like application, recommendation letter, upload, and submit. I will show you that how you can complete your application step by step. First of all, the department you plan to apply. You can choose more than one department. I will show you how you can choose. You have to choose a program of study. Choose English program if you are international student, master degree or a doctor degree. Department you apply. First you have to choose a college. After college have different departments. You have to choose a department, and then you choose the English program. Have you ever enrolled or you are currently enrolled in NTUST? You have to put in no. If you are already NTUST student, you can click on yes and you will be eligible for this scholarship. And then scholarship survey. First one, are you applying for a scholarship from another provider? You can click on yes and put it here ASUS Scholarship. And second one, click it no. Third one, do you want to apply for NTUST scholarship? Then click yes. In other case, if you are not eligible for ASUS, you will get a NTUST scholarship. And if you want to apply for a second department, just click add department and fill the information same. After that, move toward account profile. You have to choose your country of birth. Just click on it and search your country, write your province and city, write your date of birth, email address, and next move toward personal information. Write your name, your short name, your gender, your nationality, and put your passport number and telephone number. And then you have to write a contact person. In case emergency, you have to give your father, brother, your sister, and your friend phone number here. And next part is your guardian information. Write information of your father and your mother, like full name of your mother and father, their nationality, their date of birth, and their place of birth. After that, they ask you about your education, background, and language ability. So complete it carefully. You have to choose a continent like where you belong, like Europe, South and Central America, Oceania, Africa, and Asia. So if you are belong to Asia, you have to choose Asia. Otherwise, you can choose anyone where you belong. You can click it here and find your country. School name, you have to write a school name. Like I choose Pakistan, so they mention two colleges here. If your school is not here, simply you can click on this part and write the school name. After that, choose the location of your school, your degree, what is your admission date, and what is your graduation date. After that, you have to write the field of study like biotechnology, chemical engineering, depends on you. And then you have to write your GPA. And this one also those people who are lecturer and professor in your in their home country, they can choose yes. If you are just a student, you can click on no. And then language proficiency certificate. This is very important part. If you have these tests, you can choose them. Otherwise, choose a last one, exemption. Exemption from language proficiency. And you can click it here that I have my bachelor degree totally in English and I belong to a country where common language is English. Native and common language are different. Native language may be your different and common language is English. Like for Pakistan, their native language is Urdu and common language or second language is English. Language proficiency certificate, you can exemption from language. You can put it here and write the same description. Or if you belongs to a European or American countries, you can choose also for exemption. And those who have these tests, they can upload it here. After that, you can move to next part. Here you can upload a recommendation letter, click on add new referee, and then give an information like name, relationship, institution, position, city and country, write email of professor, phone number, and recommended department. Because we choose one department, you can choose two or three departments, so depend on that. After that, you can save and send out a recommendation letter. After that, university will send a recommendation letter to your professor. Your professor will fill it out and send it back to the university. After giving two letters, you can move to next portion. In the next portion is a documentation. Now you can upload your documents here. Upload your diploma, upload your transcript and passport, and financial statement declaration. First, you have to click on download. After, when you click on download, they will show you some documents like this. So you have to sign it, signature it, and then upload this document to the that portion. This is basically a financial statement. They are required for a visa process. Also, they mention applicant who have been granted scholarship or assistantship by Taiwan Tech professor or department may upload relevant proof instead of bank statement. If you have acceptance letter from professor, you can also upload that one. You don't need a financial statement, or just upload a financial statement. After that is that requirement of department. You have to upload your CV, your language proficiency certificate. Like you can upload a language certificate from your previous institute where you study your degree in English. Upload a study plan, a research publication if you have any, or internship, research group preference survey. You have to click on the part. First, you have to click on download, and they will show you some documents, and you have to read the documents carefully. Write your name here, choose your preference, and here they mention something. Anti-UST scholarship policy for fast track student, like first 1 year master degree and then you enter to anti-UST PhD degree program. I already told you about the combined or dual degrees in the detail. And also, if you need further information, just click on it and read about it, and just write your name and sign it, and you can upload it here. Number 6 is past employment. If you have any employment certificate, you can upload it here, and other beneficial document, any kind of scholarship document, co-curricular activities, your any research experience, you can upload it here, and just click on view. After clicking a view, you can read your whole application that there is any mistake, and you can correct it first and then submit. Like this first one is the department and account profile, personal information, contact person, applicant, guardians, educational background, and next one is your document upload, and next you can click on submit your application. After submission, you will receive a email from the university for the confirmation of your application. Share this scholarship with your students, with your friends, with your class fellows. And also, I show you that the last date is almost 5 September. You have just 5 to 6 days for this. And first result announcement will be 29 October. And you have to reply to university until 5 November. And confirmation of all the results will be on 25 November. And after that, you have to attach your document, do your visa process, and your study will be begun in February.